So Starry Night Engineering decided to go with a loop campground style layout. This is shown in figure 5. The other option was to do 3 different campsite roads that split off of the main Buckhorn Draw Road, as shown in figure 2. With 3 different roads splitting off of the main road, the large group campsites would be at the end of the roads, and the individual campsites would be on the side of the roads as you work down towards the group sites. The main problems with having 3 separate roads are the need for bigger roads because you have two-way traffic, handling traffic safety with the main road, and monitoring who has paid for their campsites. The team ended up deciding the campground loop was the best way to keep the road sizes relatively small, the safest way to handle traffic, and the easiest way to control the flow of traffic. This loop campground would operate in a counterclockwise fashion. As you can see here on the poster in figure 5, there are green group campsites and yellow individual campsites. Most of the individual campsites are pull-in sites where guests will just pull their RV into the site and the picnic table and fire pit will be right outside their RV door. These are more secluded than the pull-off sites, which basically are right on the side of the road, and when the RV opens its door, the fire pit and picnic table are right there, but everything is close to the road, so these are not as secluded as the pull-in sites. A future benefit of the campground layout is the fact that it will be easy for the BLM to add campsites to this loop through additional loops. You can see this in figure 5 towards the left of the screen. An additional loop was added so that an additional group site could be added right here. And all of the group sites have a similar layout of 3 campsites all close together with a few picnic tables and a fire pit so that groups can gather and have a fun weekend. These will be used for mostly family reunions or just a bunch of good friends getting together for Labor Day or July 4th to go off-roading. As shown on the poster, the campground loop road is a 10-foot wide road with 2-foot shoulders on each side. On the inside of the road, there will be a drainage ditch that leads to one of the culverts, and there will be 4 different spots where culverts will be placed under the road to encourage draining and to prevent ponding. All in all, the team felt like this was the most aesthetically pleasing and efficient way to lay out the campground sites, the restoration areas, and the parking lots. The team feels confident in the alternative selected to reseed the vegetation, to encourage the restoration process, to install large boulders and keep out signs to manage traffic and prevent the continuing deterioration of the area, and to construct a campground loop road layout, which will improve the camping experience in this area.